Hello guys, and welcome to another financial markets weekly update video. My name is Styliana and I'm the head of investments and market research at Pure, and in today's video we're going to see how the commodities, stocks and crypto markets reacted to the news, and also what to expect in the current week from the markets. The most important event of the previous week was the FOMC meeting. On 16 March, the Federal Open Markets Committee stuck to its policy of reversing stimulus only slowly in the face of a burst in inflation. The committee raised the target federal funds rate by 0.25 percentage point and decided to keep its holdings of bonds at their current high levels until at least the next meeting. While the interest rate decision got most of the attention, the decision to maintain bonds at their current levels may be at least as important for future policy. Quantitative easing, the policy of buying bonds to stimulate the economy by lowering long-term interest rates, has yet to be reversed. We also had the producer price index, which was increased by 0.8% in February, a percentage lower than the estimation, which was at 1%. Also, in the previous week, we had the retail sales in the United States, which rose by 0.3% on a monthly basis in February to $658 billion. Now, let's move on and see what happened in the crypto markets in the previous week and what news we have in the current week for the crypto market. One of the most exciting news of the crypto space this week was the release of the Ape coins. These are the community tokens of the Bored Ape Yacht Club, which is the most popular NFT collection ever. When the token released was finally announced, FOMO took over and it was listed on nearly all of the top tier exchanges, and the price rocketed, of course. The token soared to almost $40 but has since tumbled to about $7. In other news, Australia seems to be set for big regulatory shifts as it prepares to account for the rise of cryptocurrency and digital assets. The Australian government has announced that it will release 3 documents today, which may shed some light on what the future holds for cryptocurrency in the country. Also, withdrawals of Ethereum from exchanges is soaring and is accompanied by a similar surge in the price of Ethereum. This week saw more than $500 million worth of Ethereum pulled from exchanges and moved to wallets. Assets moving out of exchanges and into wallets tends to signify that traders are not looking to offload the asset anytime soon. The 180,000 Ethereum withdrawn on Tuesday equates to the largest aggregate outflow of the asset from centralized exchanges since October of last year, when cryptocurrency prices were creating new all-time highs. Now let's move into the current week's news. This week we have the March flash PMIs across developed economies. February PMIs signaled a revival of economic growth as the Omicron wave faded and business optimism also improved. Since then, however, Russia's invasion of Ukraine has led to a steep rise of commodity prices and further supply chain issues. Flash PMI data will shed light on conditions across demand, output, prices, and sentiment, with the severity to which these indicators reflect the effect of the war being the key focus. This week we also have North America US Q4 GDP Final Estimate. Following the conclusion of the Fed FOMC meeting this week, where the Fed exercised a 25 basis point hike to rates and signaled the intention to commence shrinking its $8.4 trillion bond portfolio, the series of Fed members' appearances in the current week will be in focus for further details into the Fed's plan going forward. This will be important amid the uncertainties brought about the recent developments, including the Ukraine invasion, which is expected to weigh to GDP growth in the first quarter. That's all the news for the current week, guys. That's all the news we have from the previous week as well. If you have any questions or if you want to open a trading account with us, you can contact us through our website or our social media. We'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you for watching and wishing you a profitable trading week.